daw nila para daw makapag-peel ka daw ng egg ng perfect. Ganito daw kailangan mong gawin. Unang-una, place your egg in a bowl. Yan. Lagyan natin ng water. Okay. Ayan. So, ito gawin natin. Gawin natin. Sa ilalim natin siya balatan, sabi. Hala. Tan. Squid Game in Philippines be like. Tingnan natin kung legit o pake. Real or pake. Okay. Ayan na. Tinatanggal na natin. Ayan. Take it ko. Hala. Gumana siya. Jelly. May laman pa. My God. Get the skin. And then to water. Put it again in a bowl and then wash it. Like that. Wash. Make sure the egg doesn't smash. And then okay, then wipe it off. And that's how you peel a perfect egg. Tara, kainin natin to. Joke lang. Itlog.